He is to Buddhists what the Pope is to Catholics. Today, the Dalai Lama visited an upstate monastery. For some Albany followers, it was their first time with him. Others had met him before, but this meeting was still very special. News Channel 13's Abigail Bleck was there for the journey.
Their pilgrimage began under the cover of darkness.
When the Dalai Lama comes, you get so excited. You feel like you do anything, and it's really not much to get up so early to see the Dalai Lama.
At 4:30 this morning, dozens of Buddhists from Albany's Karma Texum Shalom Center packed up and shipped out. They all traveled together downstate for a private empowerment blessing with His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Just to be in his presence, I think, is really wonderful. He just is very uplifting.
In an Ulster County parking lot, Albany's faithful met up with others on the same spiritual mission. 450 Buddhists traveled from all over the country for this invite-only event. Bright yellow school buses then transported the followers to this mountaintop monastery in Woodstock. All ages and races, even all stages in faith, prepared to take a journey together. At 9:30 sharp, His Holiness took his place in the monastery. And for 2 hours, he who some believe is the reincarnation of the Buddha of compassion spread his proverb of peace.
A lot of tears came to my eyes for a while, but then I kind of settled down into it, and it was amazing.
The sitting ends, but now their calling has just begun.
I feel, for me, I want to really practice more and be more dedicated and take the charge that he issued to heart.
Just as the Dalai Lama himself moves on to his next mission, too. In Woodstock, Abigail Bleck, News Channel 13.